Take two. Listen here, Dutch. Never bite the hand that feeds you. You might end up in a frying pan. You understand me? You don't want to do that. I'm trying to... Are you raising your voice at me? No, you come here. I don't trust you because you just bit me. Never bite the hand that feeds you because you might end up on the wrong side of a sandwich. Now, are you going to be a good boy? Say pretty birdie. Pretty birdie. What are you doing? What? Oh, no bite. No bite. Kisses? Pretty birdie. Good job. I love you. You heard him? He said, I love you. If you love me, why did you just bite me? That's what I'm trying to understand. Can I have a kiss? You said give you a kiss? Here, come on, let's go. Kisses.
You just bite it.
You know what? You don't have any money to replace this phone, so I suggest you keep your beak to yourself. Yes, you are a pretty birdie, but you bite, and I don't like that. Dutch. Yes, you are a pretty bird. Can you say, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Dutch. Dutch. What are you doing? Pretty Dutch. Give you a kiss. Mwah. Give you a kiss. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kissies. I want you to say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Yeah, you are a pretty birdie. You ready to say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, baby. Say bye. Say bye, Dutch.